Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. All right, guys, I want to show you 3 affiliate programs in which you can make $100 per referral. Okay, and they all pay instantly. Okay, once someone purchases from your link a product, you're paid $100 instantly. Okay, but before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, all right, so these 3 affiliate programs I'm going to show you, all right, real quick, and what you're going to like most is you can get started for as low as $110. Okay, so $110 investment, you can make $100 over and over and over. Okay, instantly. All right, so now what you want to do though before we get started with these programs, you're going to be paid instantly, so you're going to need to download a few apps. I downloaded them all because it allows people more options. Okay, so you need to download Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle. Okay, so that allows people ways to pay you. Okay, and that way you can receive your payments instantly. All right, so the first one we're going to talk about, one of my favorites, is TextBot. Okay, it's a software. Okay, that is the product. SMS texting software. Okay, and let's go over and take a look at it really quickly. Hang on. Now with TextBot, what they are going to do is assign you a phone number. Your job is to just share your phone number. When you join me, I'm gonna create a image, okay, a picture. When we have a picture, we'll put your number on it, and you can actually post this image on different social media platforms. But you're also going to have a website link as well. But when you join me, I'll share all those different strategies with you. But you're going to basically be assigned a phone number. So when you share your phone number, this is I like to call it a phone marketing system. It does all the selling and telling for you. So when someone dials your number, it walks them through the whole process. It answers all their questions. Okay, and if they decide to join you, they will pay $100 to you, and they're going to pay $110 to the company. Okay, well, for your credits. All right, now that price is going to go up to $150 in January, so you definitely want to jump in now and pay $110 versus $150 in January. All right, so $100 instant commissions. You get a back office. You actually get 2 websites. With your back office, you're going to be able to track all your sales, so you're going to know what phone numbers are calling you and all that. It'll be in the back office. Okay, they also give you some ad copy as well. But like I stated, when you join me, I will provide you some marketing strategies and all those different things and the best way to promote it. But it is very, very easy, because you're just simply sharing your number. So let me show you my number so you can go and do a demo. Go ahead, test the system by calling 845-253-6408. Okay, and you'll see the simplicity of this. This works while you're sleeping. Okay, because you're sharing your number, right? And people out there all over the world can be dialing your number and checking out this opportunity. And if they decide to go ahead and get this texting software so they can get their phone number, you will be notified via one of those applications, one of those payment methods you selected, whether it's Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo. You'll know if you received a payment. You're going to also receive an email notification. Okay, and then you'll just mark the person paid by clicking a button, and then they get full access to everything they need. So this one is called TextBot. Okay, so this is one of the websites, websites, you're going to get, and all this is in your back office. Okay, That's the owner of TextBot. They've paid out a lot of commissions to affiliates, okay, by promoting this software, okay? So, TextBot. Here's the other page that you get. So, any of these methods you can promote. The phone number, the other website, or this website right here, okay?
Hey, I'm Jeff, and I'm going to tell you how to have $100 or more sent to you every single day, straight to Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, or however you choose to get paid. And all you have to do is connect people to our AI texting chatbot, Ava. Who's Ava? Well, Ava is your automated virtual assistant. She holds real-time human-like text message conversations with everyone you connect her with, and then instructs them to send you $100. Now, people are going to send you this $100 for a few reasons. They also are going to want to make $100 connecting people to Ava, just like you're about to do. They're going to want to use Ava in their own business to text their leads and customers, or, of course, both. Now, there's a lot more to tell you, but rather than just continuing to tell you about all of this, I want to let you experience the power of this system firsthand. So simply press the continue button you see here on this page, enter your mobile phone number, and then press the next step button. Within a few minutes, you're going to receive a text message from Ava, so you can interact with her, get your questions answered, and of course, get started with us. So enter your mobile number to be connected to Ava right now, and I'll see you in the next step.
Okay. So you heard it. That's how it works. It's just that simple. When you send people to this particular website, they'll watch that same video we just watched. They'll enter their information, and the system will take over from there. Okay. So right now, again, $110 as of January 1st, 2021. It goes up to $150 to get started. Okay. So that's one. Let's go to the next one. Next affiliate program that pays out $100 per referral. All right, the next program, affiliate marketing program, and this is digital education, okay? It's called Exitus Elite, and the product is education, okay? This is internet marketing courses to teach you how to market online and make money online. As you can see, the G100, okay? And here is the course, okay? Because that's what you're purchasing. You're purchasing a course. Several courses actually. Here's internet marketing in an hour. You get 12 videos on that. Email list secrets, big business blueprint, Facebook Live blueprint, cryptocurrency secrets, and you see the videos. It tells you how many videos is in each topic. Okay, so with this one, you get a website. Okay, you get a back office so you can track all your sales and leads. And this one is going to be $140 to get started. Okay, so the G100 product is 100 plus the 40. Okay, it tells you that right here when you click which product you want. They have several. They have the 100, G50, G500, and the G1000. Okay, of course, I own the G1000, but we're talking about $100 commission. So for those of you that says, hey, I'm kind of on a budget, but I want to start some type of business, you can start at the G100. It'll be $140. Now, as you can see, if we click here, if you want to do the G250, it tells you what the admin is. So it will be $250 plus the $100. If you want to do the G500, it will be the $500 plus $175. If you want to do the G1000, it'll be $1,000 plus $299. But if you only want to do the G100, it'll be $140. Okay, so another program that's going to teach you how to make money online via the internet. Digital products, they're not going to ship you anything. Everything is instant access. Okay, because it's digital. All you're going to do is receive an email, and you're going to log in, and your product is going to be right there. Okay, so if you have access to the internet in any smart device, you're good to go. Okay, so an excellent program. This one has a few levels, so you can grow with the program. So if you only have $140 to get started, you can always upgrade and buy the other products by paying the difference between the two. Okay, so in other words, if you buy the $100 product today and decide you want to buy the $250, you would just pay the difference of the $150 plus the admin for that $250. Okay, so for $140, guys, here you go, internet marketing. Okay, this is where it is though. Online is where everybody is. Okay, and we all know everybody has a smartphone. Okay, so you can do this business from a laptop, smartphone, or computer. Okay, just have internet access. Okay, so if you really want to learn how to market online, Exitus Elite. All right, so the third one. Okay, and the third one I recommend, I've been a part of for quite some time, Instant Cash Solution. I think it's still a great program. You can get in this program for $129. What a lot of people love about it, and I like about it, is it comes with ads. Okay, it gives you 50 ads, guys, image ads that you can use. Okay, when you post your ads out here on these different classified sites, I'm going to show you a few, but it comes already with pre-written image ads. All you have to do is copy and paste. If you can copy and paste, you have all the ads you need. All you got to do is post them. When people respond, they're going to decide which level they want to participate in. Of course, again, it's only $129 at the lower level. They have a few other levels you can upgrade to at a different time if you like, or you can just come all the way in. It's up to you. But again, I want to show you can get started for $129. So let me show you that. Okay, as you can see, right here, the bronze level, all the levels have a $29 admin fee except the platinum. The $500 level is $79 admin. So you can get started for $129 today. All these you can start instantly. Once you make the payment, boom, you're in. Okay, you can literally start. Join these today. Pick one and start placing your ads or doing the marketing strategies that I'm going to show you, and you can start receiving $100 commissions. As you can see, the bronze, it tells you right here what you get with the bronze. Everybody get the display ads. Okay, they have weekly training. Again, this one has the back office. You can track your leads, your sales. You can see all the people that entered their information in here. Great program. It's been around for a couple years now. Okay, so another instant pay. The ads are already there. So let me show you what it looks like. Before we do that, let me just show you one of the landing pages right here. Okay, a lot of testimonies are on here. They even have my testimony on it. I'm just thumbing through it. I'm gonna put the links below for all these so you can go check them out. You're gonna have pictures that you can post like this one. Copy and paste these pictures. It brands you this particular page. So if you come down, here's some testimonies. Here's my testimony. When I first got started with this program, the first 6 days I made $1,100 with this system, copying and pasting. Those images, see, your picture is here, your information is on this page, so it brands you. I like that about it. So let me show you some of the ads. You get 50 of them, so let me show you that. Here's like one of the sample ads. Okay, all you would do is copy the link that they give you. There's a link that goes with this particular ad, and paste it, and it will just show up on the classified ad website that you're trying to put your ad onto. So here's one. Okay, these are all high converting. Here's another one. Copy paste post. That's another one. Again, you've got 50 of these that you can post out there. So this one comes already for you. Let me show you some of the pictures or the images that comes with it too. That's what I like about this one too. Hang on. Here's one of the ads. Check this out. Okay, check this out. Here you go. Here's one of the pictures that you'll be able to use, guys. All you got to do is use some of these images that they give you. Okay, and post these different places, and when people respond, you send them. You're going to be sending them to your link for Instant Cash Solution, and then if they decide to join, you make $100. Okay, copy and pasting these images. Okay, so there you have it. If you're looking for low startup costs, way to start a home-based business, we're going into 2021. I have just given you 3 options, as low as $110. The 110 one is going to go up to $150 in January. But if you start today, It's 110, then we have 129, then we have 140, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put all 3 links below. Go ahead and check them out. See which one suits you best. If you have any questions about any of them, feel free to give me a call after you have actually gone ahead and check them out. Okay, jot down your questions and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about them. But guys, if you're looking for low startup costs, this is a great way to do it. Learn how to make money online with these products. Okay, so with that being said, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.